This is even better than Venice. Yeah, I could have bumped my head on the rock. But did you bang your head?
No, it's very.
Hello. आंटी मस्त सीटी मार रही थी. हाँ, देख के मुझे. What a lovely setting to have a breakfast. With my friend Benjamin from France.
Hello.
Who lives near Marseille. A very beautiful city in France. And it's bye-bye to Lamia, Trang An. Day 2 in Ninh Binh, and we're heading for our first adventure. What's your name?
Three.
Tui. And we are with Benjamin. Benjamin from Marseille.
Yeah. Hello.
Mon ami. Nouveau mon ami.
Yes.
Nice rice paddy fields. Very close to Lamia. Next to the limestone karsts or mountains. And the cab has just dropped us at the main square of Tam Quoc. You can change your money here, but I don't think, I think the old quarter Hanoi gives you better rates if you want to change your dollars or euros. And this is the ticket counter. This over here is the ticket counter where we'll be taking our cave tour of Tam Quoc and the pagoda, like one of the oldest pagodas in this area, probably in Vietnam itself. So the ticket, we have taken combo 2, which includes the Tam Quoc cave boat ride and also Bih Dong pagoda, the oldest pagoda here in Vietnam. And we are ready for our life jackets. Let's grab some life jackets, which is essential. ये भी पहना लो. Yeah, all set. All ready for today's adventure? Yeah, please do. Yeah, I know. Because I'm a big guy, that's why. Hello.
Hello.
But we're going together with them, no?
Yes. Let's wait for them.
Let's wait for them.
1 minute.
1 minute. We're together.
Two people, one boat.
Oh,
Two people, one boat. Okay. See you guys.
Yeah, sure.
Where do I sit?
No, front.
In the front?
Yes.
No fall down?
Yeah.
No, don't worry.
Right, turn round.
Oh, turn around?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Can you hold the bag? Oh, no. Turn around. Don't fall. I'm too fat.
Give me a camera.
Just hold it like this. It's fine? It's okay? Oh man. Another boat ride. Day 2 in Ninh Binh, and this time in Tam Quoc. And we are heading for the Tam Quoc caves. And we have a local boat guy with us. Hello, my friend. What is your name? Tuan. Tuan. So Mr. Tuan is our boat rider for today. Nice. Hi. How are you? Fine? Wow, ऐसा लग रहा है वेनिस में आ गए हम ना, वेनिस ऑफ वियतनाम. This is even better than Venice. Like the gondola rides in Venice, this is more scenic. Like Venice में तो आपको हर जगह इटालियन घर दिखेंगे, बट यहाँ देखिए आप एक तरफ Vietnamese cafes, hotels and cafes, and right in front of us, beautiful limestone mountains and local houses. मैंगो ट्रीज है नहीं नहीं मैंगो नहीं ये मैंगो है पता नहीं क्या है नहीं नहीं खरबूजा है इट्स एज ब्यूटीफुल एज येस्टरडे वैन लॉन्ग वेटलैंड रिजर्व बट दैट वाज मोर रॉ वहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्कैरी सा था क्योंकि ज़्यादा लोग थे भी नहीं यहाँ तो काफ़ी लोग हैं इफ़ यू गेट लाइक फॉल इनसाइड द वाटर आई एम प्रीटी श्योर देयर आर मेनी पीपल टू सेव यू I think this is a cemetery, nahi? Seems like a kabristan here, cemetery. This looks amazing. Bonjour, Benjamin. Ça va toi?
You know only this?
Only this much. Okay. So he's my French teacher in Tam Quoc. In the land of King Kong. Very nice, my friend. Oh, Benjamin is back. Hola. Oh, now I become Spanish. And we are right in front of the Tom Quoc Caves. It's beautiful, Benjamin, no? Hola. Oh. ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días. Oh no, people are coming. Hola, señor. This seems safer than yesterday. Mind your head. Yeah, I could have bumped my head on the rock. And we are back in civilization. Just look at this amazing view. On both sides, on the left side and the right side, you can see, I don't know if they are lotus flowers or pink lotus. BJP will love this place. But unka kamal saffron color ka hai. We are heading into a dense part of this boat ride. And there's another section of, the second section of the Tom Quoc Caves. Tom Quoc. Was it Tom Quoc or Tom Quoc? Quoc. This is another sort of a shrine. This is called Gyoy Ravine. This section you have to be extra careful with your head. Yeah, don't worry. ये थोड़ा सेक्शन जो है you have to be careful with your head. लग गया पत्थर पे तो हो गया काम. And this in front of us is the third section of the Tom Quoc cave tour. This is the final section of the caves, right next to a temple. और इसमें reflection कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. You can see the reflection of the lights on the water itself. Looks beautiful. Looks like candles lit inside water. And the view while returning is as stunning as when we started. Tam Quoc Big Dong. तो ये जो है आपका वेटिंग एरिया है जो ऐसे गोल्फ कार्ट सी आएगी which will take us to Big Dong Pagoda. And we are waiting for our friends from France, Benjamin and Emerine. It's Emerine or Emerine. It's Emerine but pronounced Emerine from the epiglottis, like my name is Khan. And this is the golf cart which will take us to Big Dong or Bich Dong, the oldest pagoda in Vietnam or Ninh Binh. Yeah. And Benjamin is also here. How did you like the boat trip?
Oh yeah, it's very perfect.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, but true.
But did you bang your head?
No, it's very.
Yeah, I was asking him, did he bang his head?
People, it's complicated.
Yeah. So if you're tall, be careful when you take the cave tour. It's getting quite cold. So we are at the Big Dong Pagoda. Another marvelous place in Ninh Bình. This, as I told you before, is one of the oldest pagodas in Vietnam. Probably constructed during the Han Dynasty. And this bridge here is the way towards the pagoda. Sorry. Excuse me, sorry.
Okay.
A lot of people right now. हेलो आंटी मस्त सीटी मार रही थी हाँ देख के मुझे है ना मतलब तभी बाल मैंने सवार लिए अपने डोंग बिग डोंग इसको सुन के मुझे तहलका मूवी याद आ गई जिसमें डोंग था जो कभी रॉन्ग नहीं होता था और प्रॉब्ली वो यहीं से आया था सो डोंग्स किंगडम डोंगरीला आई थिंक वाज बेस्ड ऑन बिग डोंग डोंगरीला रिमेंबर शोम शोम शामो शाशा apparently we have to speak softly here because this is sort of a shrine और मैं वो डोंगरीला कर रहा था मैं and just observe beautiful. It actually takes us back to sort of our experience in Angkor Wat in Cambodia. It's very different but a similar sort of an experience. जब मैं छोटा था तो मेरे मामा जो हैं he used to have those World War comics and there's an old comics called The Black Pagoda. The first time I learned the word pagoda was from that time. Probably I was like 8 years old. So be careful of the rocks.
Yeah, they said that what they're actually doing is they're climbers. So they're actually
Sort of a trek, huh? It says sacred pagoda, don't wear short clothes. But I'm wearing shorts. Right on the mountain, carved inside the mountain. It's beautiful from here, huh? It says Julie. Hi, Julie. This shrine has a little cave as well. Hello. Hello. We can go up?
go up, yeah.
I think this is the. The action cam wasn't able to capture bright videos. This is like a bell inside the cave, as you can see. Look at the stalactites. Out of the cave and up again. There's a shrine here. Thank you.